Are you tired of reaching for the same old snacks that leave you feeling guilty and unsatisfied? What if I told you that you could indulge in delicious snacks that not only taste amazing but are also good for you? Yes, you heard that right. Stay tuned because we're about to revolutionize your snack game with mouth-watering recipes that are as nutritious as they are delicious. Welcome back to our channel, where health meets taste. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy snacks, those perfect little treats that keep your energy levels high and your cravings at bay. Whether you're looking for something sweet, savory, or a bit of both, we've got you covered. From quick bites that require minimal prep to creative recipes that impress your taste buds and your friends, we're here to show you that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. So, grab your aprons, and let's get started on this culinary adventure that's guaranteed to bring joy to your kitchen and your life. Number 1. Why healthy snacks? Why opt for healthy snacks? The answer is simple yet impactful. Healthy snacks are not just about keeping hunger at bay. They're a cornerstone of maintaining vibrant health and energy throughout the day. When you choose snacks packed with nutrients, you're fueling your body with what it truly needs. These power-packed treats can help stabilize your blood sugar levels, keeping you energized and focused without the dreaded mid-afternoon crash. Moreover, they play a crucial role in weight management. By opting for snacks rich in fiber and protein, you feel fuller longer, which can help curb overeating during mealtimes. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: common snacking mistakes. It's easy to fall into the trap of reaching for snacks that are high in sugar or heavily processed. While they might offer a quick energy boost, this is often short-lived and can lead to a cycle of spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels, not to mention weight gain and other health issues over time. Another pitfall is snacking out of boredom or stress rather than hunger, which can lead to mindless eating. Recognizing these habits is the first step towards making healthier snacking choices that support your overall well-being. Number 2. Snack Ideas Overview. Let's dive into the heart of today's topic, the myriad of healthy snack ideas awaiting to tantalize your taste buds. Our culinary journey will explore a variety of categories, ensuring there's something for everyone. Whether your cravings lean towards the sweet or the savory, or you're in pursuit of a protein-packed punch, we've got you covered. And for our friends who prefer vegan or gluten-free options, you will be included. Each category is designed with health and flavor in mind, showcasing snacks that are as nourishing as they are satisfying. What sets these snacks apart are their key ingredients, each bringing a wealth of health benefits to the table. For our sweet snack lovers, think beyond sugar-laden treats. We're talking about natural sweetness from fruits, honey, and dark chocolate packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Savory snacks will feature the likes of nuts and seeds, rich in healthy fats and fiber, perfect for keeping you full and focused. High-protein options are all about lean meats, dairy, and plant-based proteins like quinoa and beans, essential for muscle repair and growth. And for those who prefer vegan or gluten-free snacks, we're emphasizing whole, unprocessed foods that offer a powerhouse of nutrients without compromising on taste or texture. Each snack idea is a testament to how simple ingredients can be transformed into something extraordinary, providing not just a treat for the palate but a boost for your health. So, whether you're refueling after a workout, searching for a midday pick-me-up, or needing a satisfying late-night bite, our selection promises to deliver both taste and nutrition in every bite. Number 3. Recipe Demonstrations. Let's roll up our sleeves and jump right into the kitchen, where we'll bring our snack ideas to life. I'll guide you through each recipe, showing you just how easy it is to whip up these healthy treats. Sweet snack example: fruit and nut energy balls. Ingredients: dates, almonds, walnuts, oats, chia seeds, and a touch of honey. Preparation steps: start by pulsing the nuts and oats in a food processor until finely chopped. Add in the dates, chia seeds, and honey, then blend until the mixture sticks together. Roll them into bite-sized balls and let them chill in the fridge for an hour. Final product: these energy balls are sweet, chewy, and perfect for an on-the-go energy boost. Savory snack example: veggie chips with hummus. Ingredients: thinly sliced sweet potatoes, beets, and carrots. Olive oil, sea salt, your favorite hummus. Preparation: toss the sliced veggies in olive oil and sea salt, then bake until crispy. Pair with a side of creamy hummus for dipping. Final product: a colorful, crunchy snack that's both satisfying and packed with nutrients. High-protein snack example: Greek yogurt parfait. Ingredients: Greek yogurt, granola, fresh berries, a drizzle of honey. Layering process: begin with a layer of Greek yogurt at the bottom, followed by a layer of granola, and then a generous helping of berries. Repeat the layers until your glass is full, topping it off with a drizzle of honey. Final look: a visually stunning snack that's rich in protein and antioxidants, perfect for any time of day. Vegan snack example: avocado toast variations. Ingredients: whole grain bread, ripe avocados, cherry tomatoes, radishes, arugula, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Preparation: toast your bread to golden perfection. Mash the avocado with a little lemon juice, salt, and pepper, then spread generously on the toast. Top with sliced tomatoes, radishes, and a handful of arugula. Customization options: the beauty of avocado toast is its versatility. Feel free to experiment with toppings like roasted chickpeas, sunflower seeds, or a sprinkle of nutritional yeast. Gluten-free snack example: rice cakes with almond butter and banana. Ingredients: rice cakes, almond butter, banana slices, a sprinkle of cinnamon. Assembly: spread a thick layer of almond butter on each rice cake, then top with banana slices. Finish with a light sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra flavor boost. Final product: this snack is a delightful combination of crunchy, creamy, and sweet, all while being gluten-free. Each of these recipes showcases the simplicity and joy of creating snacks that are not only healthy but also incredibly flavorful and satisfying. Whether you're in the mood for something sweet, savory, or rich in protein, these snacks are sure to hit the spot. Number 4. Snacking tips. The secret to snacking without overindulging lies in portion control. It's easy to lose track of how much you're eating, especially with snacks that are too good to put down. A great strategy is to pre-portion your snacks. Instead of munching straight from the bag, serve yourself a small, measured amount on a plate or bowl. This not only helps you enjoy your snack mindfully but also keeps calorie intake in check. Remember, even healthy snacks can lead to weight gain if consumed in large quantities. One of the best ways to ensure you're snacking healthy throughout the week is to prepare your snacks in advance. Dedicate some time over the weekend to prep a variety of snacks. Chop veggies and store them in the fridge for easy access. Bake a batch of granola bars or mix up some trail mix. Having ready-to-eat snacks on hand means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy options when hunger strikes. Plus, it's a great way to save time and reduce stress during your busy week. Proper storage is key to maintaining the freshness and nutritional value of your snacks. Most fruits and vegetables last longer when stored in the fridge, preferably in airtight containers. Nuts, seeds, and homemade energy bars are best kept in cool, dry places and can even be frozen to extend their shelf life. For items like hummus or yogurt, make sure they're tightly sealed and refrigerated. Being mindful of storage not only helps in waste reduction but also ensures your snacks are as delicious and nutritious as when you first made or bought them. Embracing healthy snacking is about making mindful choices, preparing ahead, and enjoying the flavors and nutritional benefits these snacks offer. Let's make snacking a delightful and healthy part of our daily routine. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips and recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.